Welcome! Today I'm showing how to remove SIM pin from your SIM card into a Honor 20E. Firstly, open your settings and find security option. Security and privacy, this one. Then scroll down and go into more settings. Then choose encryption and details. And here will be your setup SIM card lock. And now choose your SIM card and click here to unlocking your SIM card. Click, and for unlock need enter your PIN and click OK. And that's it. Now we removed our SIM pin from SIM card. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.